बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। कदीम यूनानी मुफक्किर सुकरात के मुताबिक तालीम एक नेकी है और नेकी रूह की पाकीज़गी का ज़रिया है। पॉलिटिकल साइंस के साबका पर्चाजात जो पंजाब पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन के ज़रिए लिए जाते हैं उनके हवाले से बातचीत करेंगे, और मैं आपको साबका जितने भी पर्चाजात हैं उनमें से जो अहम सवालात हैं उनके बारे में बताऊंगा। वो सवालात कौन कौन से हैं और उनकी हकीकत क्या है। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले हम ओल्ड ग्रीक को देख लेते हैं। There were two remarkable states in old Greek. One was named as Athens and other was named as Sparta. The concept of education was introduced by Plato, Greek political philosopher. The concept of revolution was introduced by Aristotle in his book Politics. The concept of communism was first time given by Plato. The concept of slavery was first time given by Aristotle in his book Politics. Niccolò Machiavelli was an Italian political philosopher. The book Prince is related with Niccolò Machiavelli, who is called the founder of English utilitarianism, greatest number of greatest happiness. He is Jeremy Bentham. The book Leviathan is related with Thomas Hobbes, who are known as social contractualists. Hobbes, John Locke, and Jean-Jacques Rousseau are known as social contractualists. The concept of sovereignty first time was introduced by Jean Bodin. The concept of legal sovereignty in the field of political science first time introduced by John Austin. The concept of clever prince was introduced by Niccolò Machiavelli.